Hope you're okay. I'll show you how to use on-the-go mode in YouTube. Now, on-the-go mode is a new feature to YouTube that offers simplified audio controls while you're on the move, either when you're walking or running. Now, to use on-the-go mode, simply ensure that you're playing a video or with your video launched like that. Even if it's paused, simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and then you want to select on-the-go. Now, as you can see, it's going to launch simplified controls just like that. But another way to launch on the go mode is if you may actually see a pop-up if you're on the move asking you to try the on the go mode if your phone or if YouTube detects that you're actually on the move. Now, this option can also trigger automatically if you leave your phone unlocked for about 60 seconds while you're on the move and the app detects that you're either walking or running. It's going to launch on the go mode automatically. Now, once it launches on the go mode, the screen is now going to shift into an audio fast mode with larger playback controls, as you can see. Now here, you have the option to go back or to play a previous video. You also have the option to skip 10 seconds backward or 10 seconds forward. You can pause the video, you can play the video, you can go to the next video, just like that. You can tap on this icon to download the video to watch it later. You can tap on this icon here to switch to video mode. So as you can see, it's in audio only mode. So if I tap that, it's going to switch to video mode as well, with on the go mode still active. And to switch back to audio only mode, simply tap on the headphones icon just like that. Tap on this icon to be able to increase or reduce the speeds of your video, just like that. So you can switch the speeds to whatever you want. And you can also toggle on auto speed by toggling this option on or off. And then you can also tap on this playlist icon to view the videos in your playlist and either remove videos or add videos to that particular playlist, just like that, even while you're on the go, just like that. Now, to close on the go mode, simply tap on the X icon in the top right corner and it's going to switch back to the standard YouTube mode, just like that. Now, while you're using on the go mode, you can also have on the go mode on your lock screen, just as long as you launch on the go mode with your screen unlocked first. So with the screen unlocked, ensure you're in on the go mode, and once you lock your screen, even on the lock screen, you should have on the go mode as well, just like that. Now, the only thing that you need is to make sure that you have YouTube Premium for you to continue enjoying on the go mode. But that's basically how to use on the go mode in YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.